In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WooCommerce store with Hostinger. We'll go from the very beginning all the way to a fully working online store, and I'll walk you through each part in a simple, practical way so the whole process feels manageable. First, choose a Hostinger WooCommerce hosting plan that fits the size of the store you want to build. If you're just getting started, a basic plan is usually enough, and you can always upgrade later as your traffic and product catalog grow. The goal here is to make sure your store has hosting that's optimized for WordPress and WooCommerce from the start. Next, register a new domain or connect one you already own. Your domain is your store's web address, so choose something clear, easy to remember, and closely related to your brand. If you already have a domain from another provider, you can point it to your hosting so everything works together. Once that's ready, install WordPress through Hostinger. This part is usually straightforward because Hostinger provides a guided setup process. After installation, sign in to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your entire website where you'll manage design, products, settings, and customer experience. From there, install and configure WooCommerce. This plugin turns a regular WordPress site into a complete online store. During setup, WooCommerce will guide you through important basics, helping you define store details and prepare your site for selling. After that, choose an e-commerce theme and customize it so your store matches your brand. A good theme should look professional, be easy to navigate, and work well on both desktop and mobile devices. Keep the design clean so your products stay the main focus. Now create product categories to organize your inventory in a way that makes browsing easier. Then start adding your products with clear images, detailed descriptions, accurate prices, and inventory information. This is one of the most important parts of your store, so take time to make each product page informative and appealing. Next, configure your shipping methods. Make sure customers can clearly understand delivery options and costs before they check out. Then set up payment methods and taxes so your store can accept orders smoothly and calculate charges correctly. Once the store settings are in place, customize the homepage, shop page, cart, and checkout. These are the pages customers interact with most, so they should be easy to use and visually consistent. Before launching, test the store on both desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks right and functions properly. Finally, complete a test purchase yourself. This helps you confirm that the full customer journey works exactly as expected before your store goes live.